Face Serum for acne, scars, and dark spots. Acne, scars, and dark spots often come along, but you can use this face serum to fix them all. It is very easy to make, and is non-messy for application and taking off. The applying process is very easy too. Put 3 drops in your hand, rub the palms, and dab on your face. How to make this face serum? Take a 4 ounces amber glass dropper bottle, and fill it up with 6 tablespoons of argan oil. Use a funnel to make it easier. Now, you need to add 6 drops of each of the following essential oils to the bottle: lavender, tea tree, frankincense, lemongrass, geranium, carrot seed, and clove essential oil. Cap the bottle tightly, and roll it between your palms gently, to properly mix the ingredients. By the way, the essential oil dilution rate for this serum is 2%. How to use it? Place 3 or 4 drops of the face serum on your clean palm, and rub the palms together, then dab them gently onto your clean face. If your skin is dry, you can apply the mixture over the damp face, to let it retain some moisture. Use the serum 2 times a day, on the clean face. The benefits of the serum ingredients. Argan oil is the base component of this serum, because it is very effective against acne, and it lightens skin. It has a comedogenic rating of 0, which means that it doesn't clog your pores. Tea tree oil effectively kills bacteria that cause acne, and reduces skin oil production. Lavender essential oil has soothing properties, which is helpful in treating red acne. Also, lavender oil reduces inflammation and fades acne scars. Lemongrass essential oil has a refreshing smell, it heals acne and reduces inflammation. Frankincense essential oil heals and fades the scars, and has antibacterial properties. Carrot seed oil rejuvenates the skin, eliminates blemishes, and fixes skin color. Geranium oil balances skin oil production, heals hormonal acne, and gives the serum a nice scent. Clove essential oil, due to its potent antibacterial properties, it effectively deals with pus-filled acne.